welcome to my channel, King's Life.
I am the king and will not be. I am the king and will not.
Hey guys, today I'm doing a face paint video, and it's gonna be about Jeff the Killer. If you guys don't know what he looks like, he is a picture what he looks like. And Jeff the Killer is one of the CreepyPastas, and today I'm going in the store to get that white and creepy eyelid, and the blood is on my mouth. See you inside. Guys, we found the face paint, and it has the colors that is supposed to look like Jeff the Killer. So we got black, white, and red. That's what it looks like. See you when I get home.
I am the king and will not be. I am the king and will not.
And now we're gonna start to open it. Take this wrapping and I need to get this out. So make sure if you do stunts on a hoverboard, if your first time as a kid doing it, then if it's hard, don't do it. I have my face paint out, so I need to take my jacket off so it doesn't get dirty. First, we're gonna start with this white paint on my neck and my face. Next, we're gonna use black for the eye. Now, for the final touch, red for the lip. This is how it looks like. Do I look like Jeff the Killer? Comment down below. Guys, next time. Bye. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.